My tools is a Mobile Mechanic 23. Pliers, those are primarily cutters, vice grips, pliers, standard wrenches, metric wrenches, quarter, 3/8 sockets, more 3/8 sockets, extensions under there, some consumable stuff, pen, paint pen, dielectric grease, anti-seize. This is kind of a mess. Those are bigger wrenches, pry bars, hammers, snap-on, hydraulic pliers we called them. Basically pipe wrenches. If you know how these things work, they're fabulous. Cheap screwdrivers, files, half-inch stuff. There's a bunch of stuff missing out of here right now. Half-inch impact sockets, half-inch sockets. That's a driveline socket. It's a half-inch 12-point. It's a 1/2 to 3/4 adapter. These are chrome standard sockets, metric standard, or metric deep and shallows. Some miscellaneous bits, snap-on adapters. A couple missing that I'm using right now. There's a M12 3/8 gun missing, M18 high torque. Batteries missing. Grinder, there's normally a Sawzall and some stuff there. Jack, there's normally another jack and 2 there. Jumper cables. The back's just a mess. That is a Freon bottle, grease gun, jack stands, money compartment, oxygen, O2 sensors. That is a U-joint press. That is a high-pressure oil leak test system for 7.3s and 6-liter Power Strokes, random hardware. This is a caliper set, reset, ball joint press, coolant leak down test, hydraulic caps, tap set, electrical components, plastic push clips, electrical power probe, high-end screwdrivers, all my snap-on screwdrivers, rivet tool, drill bits, drills missing right now, it's being used, extractors, the top there, and liquids.